I have a F70 code on my Whirlpool duet dryer. Where is the problem? I installed a new motherboard.
Are you getting any error codes or messages from your Whirlpool dryer? How old is it?
10 years.
How long has this been going on with your Whirlpool dryer? What have you tried so far?
Replace motherboard and new heating element and related parts.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. F70 isn't an issue with the motherboard, it's a problem with the front interface board, I'm sorry to say. The front interface board behind the buttons you press and touch will need to be ordered and replaced. Unfortunately, that part is usually about $250 to $300. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
Thanks for the info.
No problem, but I'm sorry about the bad news and wish you only the best.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.